All right, and the point number three, the next point would be basically what is the difference between multi-level marketing and affiliate marketing? So on affiliate marketing or multi-level marketing, um, the way it speaks, multi-level, the way it says it, you have multi-levels of um, affiliates that are under you. The only thing is with multi-level marketing, it has a lot of negative impact in the industry. Many people don't like it, they're afraid of it, uh, because on multi-level marketing, many people just want to make sure that they recruit as many people under them to build a very big structure and make sales because they are forced to make sales. Just like in affiliate marketing, they're forced to make sales to earn money. But in affiliate marketing, in multi-level marketing, they're forced to recruit more people to be able to grow more in the hierarchy and earn more commissions, because usually the commission structure in multi-level marketing is very complex. I mean, you can read many different articles. There's many people that compare it to pyramid schemes, right? The difference between multi-level marketing and pyramid scheme is that multi-level marketing is legal and pyramid scheme is illegal. And again, you can read up on it. I don't have to start explaining you about everything because it's also going to be very time consuming and it's going to lengthen this video. But again, do your own research between the difference between multi-level marketing and pyramid schemes. But the difference on the multi-level marketing and affiliate marketing is that on multi-level marketing you have many different levels. The commission structure is complex because they make affiliates recruit many other affiliates, and the more affiliates they recruit, they get bonuses. On many multi-level marketing programs, they also require to recruit X amount of affiliates, 3, 4, 5, 10 affiliates a month. They require you to make specific amount of sales every year or every month in order to grow. You will get more bonuses for specific things. A lot of times in multi-level marketing, the products are very expensive. So they start, let's say, $2,000, $3,000, $1,000, $4,000, $5,000. And usually within the entire structure of this multi-level marketing, because the commission structure is so complex and there are more bonuses and more bonuses and more bonuses, the more people you recruit and the higher you get. Usually, on average, on a multi-level marketing system, on many systems, on many platforms or businesses that are out there that apply a multi-level marketing, 50% of the commission is basically being paid out to affiliates. That's why it's so popular and that's why so many affiliates choose multi-level marketing. The downside is that many consumers don't like multi-level marketing because they know that their commission structure is very, very high, and that's how their advertising budget is spent, by paying out a high commission to these affiliates. The problem is that affiliates in multi-level marketing have to buy in order to be able to start. So there's an investment required. So before you're able to start making money in multi-level marketing, you have to buy in to be able to obtain a code, to be able to share it and start making money. And that's the problem, that many of these companies that are offering a multi-level marketing program require you to buy in the product, right, or the service, to be able to start making money yourself. Whether you sell water filters for 5,000 euros, right, or dollars, then you have to buy a water filter for 5,000 euros before you're able to get a code that you can share and then start making money yourself, which is why many people don't like it, and rather than they go to an affiliate program, right? And that's the whole case, that on affiliate marketing, you just register, you don't have to buy anything, you register right away. If they either force you to register and apply, basically go through an application process, and then they select you and they say, you can share, or you just have access to an affiliate link right away and you can share. There's usually no buy-in required, and you just start sharing, and that's it. And that's why many people choose affiliate marketing over multi-level marketing.